Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to enable dark mode on Windows 10 PC. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, you have to go on your device, start menu icon, and then click here setting. After click on setting, you have to click on personalization. In personalization section, you have to click in left side color tab. In color section, you will find here something called choose your color. So you can see by default it's light or you want etc. So I'm going to choose that, and then you will find here something called dark. So if I'm going to choose that dark, immediately my whole Windows going to be changed to dark. You can see now everything is changed to dark. If I go in start menu, that will be changed to dark. If I even open my Google Chrome browser, I will notice that also appear dark theme. If I go on this PC, I will see that also appear dark theme. So this way you can easily make any if you want to make your Windows 10 PC dark mode, you can easily follow up this trick. Now if you want to make it normal or a light mode or a basic mode like that, so if you want to do that, go same way, go on your device start menu and click here setting, go on personalization, go on color, and I think my one before light, so I'm going to choose the light one and it will going to appear the light mode. So this way you can easily change, or you can easily make a Windows 10 PC to dark mode. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.